The Potts family knew their dog Kibosh was expecting, but they weren't expecting what happened next.
Yeah, a few would have been nice.
Inside this garage, inside this box, are South African Boerboel puppies that have come in to this world. How many are there?
A lot.
I had to get the facts straight and asked Katie and Jen Potts to give me a puppy count.
11, 12, 14, 15,
16. I can't even count them.
Katie's final count?
20.
There's 17.
The other evening, Jen was away from home but talking to her husband on the phone when things started to happen and happen and happen again.
I'd say she has to be done. He said, she's not done. She still looks full. I said, no. Sure enough, I just went out and there's another one. I'm like, you've got to be kidding me. Just nonstop.
Curious, Jen surfed the internet to see if any puppy world records had been achieved.
The world record is 24 puppies.
Close?
Close.
Still inquisitive, Katie and Jen ran some more numbers by me.
17 times 4 is 68 paws.
Interesting. I have to admit they all look the same, but Katie has her favorite.
This one.
And Mother is doing just fine. As for every one of her puppies,
They have all survived.
I think she's starting to have another baby.
No, she's done having babies. Please.
maybe next time, Katie. But there is one last mathematical problem to be solved. The Potts will be asking around $1,000 each for these little guys. Oh, if Mama Kibosh only understood the value of $1.
Yep, 17.